Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can revoke someone's access to API token. Okay, now for some individuals came to me and told me that they have given their API tokens to other parties and they feel it's time that they should revoke access. Okay, now please be careful with who you give your token to. Okay, as you can see, even Deriv here has a notification to avoid loss of funds. Do not share tokens with unauthorized parties, especially the tokens with any of the following scopes: payment, admin, or trade. Okay, the main reason for this is once you give someone access to any of these three, you have given them power over your account. And remember, this is money that you have worked hard for. So if you end up by any chance giving someone access to your account, you are giving them power. Okay, you are giving them power over your money, and this might end up going wrong in so many ways. So please do not share your token with anyone. If someone has to trade for you, trade with them. Okay, connect on Google Meet and trade together. But don't give anyone your account. Never give anyone. The rate of scamming in terms of account management is so high that I would advise you not to trust anyone. Don't trust anyone when it comes to account management. No matter how successful that trader is, do not trust them. Okay? The account is yours and it should only remain yours. Okay? Now, if you have given someone your token and you want to delete that token, this is what you do. So you just scroll and then you will see this token right here. Okay, yeah, so just proceed and click on delete this token. So proceed and click on delete, and they'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete? And then click on yes, delete that token. Now, if you had given someone your API token to trade for you and you want to confirm that they surely do not have access to your account, you can just go and contact the Deriv live support and ask them to ensure that no token is connected to your account. Okay, this measure will at least ensure that you have the sole control over your account. Okay. Yeah, I hope this will help someone, because I'm seeing that most of you are really having a hard time when it comes to these tokens, and it will give you an easy time. Okay, yeah, but apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep trading, guys, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.